Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. The automotive industry uses a wide variety of wiring harnesses for the best possible performance. These harnesses combine the wiring of different electrical and electronic devices into a single system. Today we're in Fort Worth, Texas, and home of Painless Performance products. For over 32 years, Painless Performance has developed premier wiring harnesses for hot rods, street rods, muscle, classic, and race cars, as well as universal wiring harnesses and accessories made right here in the USA. If you're looking for the latest developments in wiring, Painless Performance is constantly growing with new products that will meet your expectations of quality and affordability. Automotive wiring can be a daunting task. However, Painless customers know that installing one of their harnesses is truly a painless experience. All of their American-made harnesses come with a detailed instruction manual and have a lifetime warranty to keep your project vehicle on the road for years to come. Painless is the sensible solution to all of your automotive wiring needs. From electronic chokes to electronic fuel injection systems, Painless has your automotive wiring needs covered. So don't let faulty wiring ruin your time at the track or day off-roading. Go the Painless route. With high-quality, lightweight wire and quality machine crimps, the last thing you will worry about is your electrical system. Protect yourself from potential complications by buying Painless Performance from their list of authorized dealers. Make it easy, make it simple, make it painless. Visit painlessperformance.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.